everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making cheeseburgers. So McDonald's inspired cheeseburgers. They're going to be quick, easy. It's cheaper to make these than to actually go out and buy one meal from McDonald's, because here in Australia McDonald's has become ridiculously expensive for what you get. So we're going to make some cheeseburgers and french fries, and I'll show you what we're starting with. So this is more of an assembly rather than a recipe because it's really easy. I've got, over here you'll see where my finger is, I've got some mincemeat. Now I haven't done anything to this mincemeat other than portion it out and then squash it flat so that the meat is very thin, because you'll know in a cheeseburger and McDonald's patties are really thin. So that's what I've done. And I want to make them just a little bit bigger than my bread rolls. So I've spread them out between two pieces of Glad wrap or plastic wrap to make it nice and easy cleanup. And then what I've got over here is all the normal ingredients you'd have in a cheeseburger. So we've got tomato sauce, American mustard, I've got some pickles, some onion that I've very finely chopped. I've got some cheese that are burger slices, so hopefully it tastes very much like, well, this one is I've never had it before, so we'll see how this goes. It's supposed to taste similar to the McDonald's cheese. I've got bread rolls that I've bought from the bakery at the supermarket. I've got my meat, and we are pretty much ready to go. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is get my pan nice and hot. Now you'll notice at McDonald's their buns are really soft. That's because they steam them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my bread rolls onto my pan, and then I'm going to add a little bit of ice and put a cover on them just to steam them. I've also bought a bag of french fries, the frozen french fries. I'm going to make these in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can just make them in the oven and follow the package directions. I'm not promoting this brand, it's just the one that was one of the cheapest at the supermarket. So that's what I'm serving the burgers with. Now that the pan is nice and hot, and I'm sorry about the background noise because that's the air fryer going with the french fries in there, I'm just going to put the buns inside my pan and I'm going to add some ice. So what the ice is going to do is it's going to melt and it's going to become steam, and it will help to steam the buns while they're browning. So while our buns are browning in the oven, I'm going to add, and this is the only thing that I'm going to add to the meat, is a little bit of salt and pepper. Here we have our pepper. So our buns are now beautifully brown. They're nice and soft because we steam them. And now I'm just going to take them out of the pan. Be careful if you're doing this with your fingers, because the pan is very hot. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use this same pan to cook our meat. Okay, so now we've got our cooked burger patties. I did season the other side of them. We've got our burger buns, and we have all of our additions for our cheeseburgers ready to go. The fries are just in the oven, in the air fryer, finishing off, so I'm going to start assembling our burger. So we're going to start with our burger bun. And then I'm going to start off with tomato sauce. And you want a decent amount of tomato sauce in the burger. I mean, you add as much as you want, but I like a lot of sauce. Now I'm going to add my American mustard. I've got some onion here. You don't want too much onion, but and we have our pickles. So I've just got some pickles and I'm going to add 2 of those per burger. Now the reason mine cut lengthways is because the pickles were just way too thin to cut them any other way, so I've just cut them lengthways. I'm going to go ahead and add my burger patty. And the last thing that I'm going to add is my cheese. And there we are, that's 1 cheeseburger ready done. I'm going to make up all the rest that we need and then I'm going to serve them with the French fries. And there we are. We've got our McDonald's cheeseburger, our McDonald's inspired cheeseburger with French fries. It was quick, it was easy, much cheaper than what you'd buy at McDonald's. And I hope this inspired you to make burgers at home instead of having takeout. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope that you come back soon, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Bye.